夜さん
はい。
愛してる僕のピコ
I just got done editing, so I'm gonna take a bath. Dude, this glitter, I'm very obsessed.
I know, they have different colors.
Check up on the gram, I'm just scrolling through these pictures. Hopped into the comments, everyone is so malicious. People share their struggles and we make them into memes. We only post the best cause we're not happy as we seem. Living in the world is nicotine addicted, politically vindictive, identity conflicted, honesty dismissive. We in the fashion industry, prolific, social epidemic. Just focused on the image and no one seems to care except these panic attacks for no reason. It gets worse in the snowy season. So uncertain with my feelings. Oh Lord, tell me there's a reason. Panic attacks for no reason. It gets worse in the snowy season. So uncertain with my feelings. Oh Lord, tell me there's a reason. You feel it too. You're feeling blue. What you gonna do? I hope that we were made to be your masterpiece and bring glory to you. Pick apart the fake, dismember your disguise. You can sleep with your opinion in a bed full of lies. Coming with that sort of truth, and I got three, call me Zorro. Merging different worlds, legend Decora. We're too codependent, easily offended. We try to control others cause we can't control our feelings. Cause fixing other people just seems way more repellent than dealing with revealing what's inside when we really just need healing from these panic attacks for no reason. It gets worse in the snowy season. So uncertain with my feelings. Oh Lord, tell me there's a reason. Panic attacks for no reason. It gets worse in the snowy season. So uncertain with my feelings. Oh Lord, tell me there's a reason.
I'm playing Valorant and eating an egg tart. Okay, OOTD. Top is from Aritzia, and then belt Off-White, and then black jeans from Hollister. I'm itchy over here. Okay.
I don't wanna be here anymore. I just wanna be yours. Cause it's cold outside and I just need
Quick Target haul. Some tea. This is for upstairs in the kitchen. And then some Cheetos. Some sunscreen. A candle.
cause you bring me peace in the middle of the storm. I just wanna be yours. You feel it too. You're feeling blue. What you gonna do? I hope that we
It's addicting.
were meant to
I
be
looked online again. I hate it.
your
I looked online again.
and bring glory to you.
Go in.
You're telling me to stay.
Can't go further, it's so tiny ass jump rope.
Baby girl, I'm coming home.
Oh, I see.
Promise that I won't delay. See repeat it's on. Picture perfect, ain't no telling where this goes. Put you on to something more, but I guess you heard all that before.
I just got back from the gym. I'm about to take a bath, but this is the gym fit. Oh my god. This is the top from Target, and then the bottoms are also from Target.
On my way to you, I'm done with switching lanes. I love this goes in cycles, a sideways eight. Me and you, we so in tune, we think the same. Felt like we met in a past life. Let's do it again and get this right.
When does Alan move to?
Playing house with you is my wife. I'm at home when I'm inside. I don't know what I want, but I know what we've done. And the things to come, hesitation. We've been this way since young. Oh, swear I've been here before. Had some tears on the floor.
It's 3:30. It's 3:30, and I'm gonna go and get my tattoo finished. So excited! I'm back. It's 6 p.m. I've been sitting down playing Valorant for a bit, but I finally finished.
Yoru-san.
はい。
愛してる。僕のピコ。
What?
僕の。
Where are you from?
I'm from California.
You're from Very. Oh.
Yeah.
Great.
Molly. Enemy down.
As I said, it's kind of perfect for me.
Oh my god.
I love you, Days.
私も。
Oh my god.
I
I can't see. I'm blinded.
I got TP2.
Spike down A.
Dim beacon here.
I go through mid.
Watch out. Mini chamber.
One enemy remaining.
Satchel out. Enemy spotted A. Satchel out.
Bingo.
Enemy spotted mid. Cutting through.
Goner.
Oh my god! Oh, I'm fine.
Nice.
Spike down B. One enemy remaining.
One shower as well. Two showers.
Ah! Oh my god, what the heck is happening? Oh!
Right now. God, that fucking lit, bro. Fuck that nade, bitch.
Oh my god.
They're both here.